Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market. I've got a 23 model Peach 567 to show you. Got actually three identical trucks, X15 Cummins, 13 speed, full lockers. This has only got 77,000 miles. The other two have got 90 and 100, so they're all really similar. We'll do a full walk around, show you what we got here. Got all new rubber, new steers, new drives. You need a great work truck or a set of great work trucks matching. They're all the same color, same specs. This is it. Small flat top, hard to find. Doesn't have a wet kit, so it's got a factory split tank on this passenger side. The only body or paint damage, got a little scratch on this one on this side, and you have some rock dings where the headache rack didn't protect it on the edges here. So that's it. Southern truck, so there's no rust. Air track suspension, all aluminums. Slider, but you've got the capability of blocking your fifth wheel for a dump trailer if you need. Got the new digital dash in these. There's your miles. 76,000 miles on this one. Everything looks good on the check system. Truck information. Here's your X15. 8,500 engine hours. Really nice truck overall. Great mechanically. New rubber. If you need a work truck, let me know. 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.